It's video.
It is video.
Sorry. Do you want to say something while I have it on?
Well, I guess we should say welcome aboard the Alyssa. Just we didn't catch it on our other camera.
I know. The audio wasn't working right.
Yeah.
Hopefully we're able to catch something at least now.
Yeah.
And then also, I've been taking a lot of stills on my nice camera, and so the battery is not so hot.
Low battery.
Not terribly low, but I'm waiting for the sails. I'm waiting for the sails to be hoisted before I take any more pictures or video on my nice camera.
Yeah.
So,
Welcome aboard. Keep you apprised.
She's wild. Yeah, she's wild. Wild as a West Texas wind. Yeah, she's wild. Yeah, she's wild. We'll never see her.
Our dream is to circumnavigate the world on a sailboat, experiencing new countries and cultures in unexplored lands, unexplored by us at least. The time in Galveston Island was the perfect chance to hop on a few boats and practice setting sail. As to be expected, my mom is nervous about us becoming explorers. In an effort to put her at ease and celebrate her birthday, we took her out for a sail with the captain.
We are at South Coast Sailing Adventures, where we just chartered our second boat with them. This time we are taking out an island packet. And another big thing we did today, we became members. So we are heading out. We're gonna go do some sailing and have a lot of fun. So we'll see you guys out there. Well, docking is certainly not our forte. No crashes, but it was interesting.
it didn't look like there was any real damage, but I think I may have heard a little. Don't tell Captain Lucy.
We realized later that it was the rub rail on the dock that made that horrific crunching noise.
This is our first time out in Galveston Bay.
All on our own. This is our first solo bareboat charter. So first of many, we're hoping. So we're gonna get out a little bit further, raise the sails, and have a good day.
So what's going on?
All right, so the main halyard seems to be wrapped around one of the halyard ladder steps. And so far up there, trying to whip the main halyard line around, the lazy jacks that are holding onto the sail bag are just, you're not able to like flick it like you would like a kink in a hose or something like that to get it out. So, looks like we're racing the main halyard today.
Bummer. But we still have a head sail.
We still have a head sail. So, let's unroll that and get sailing. All right, another successful landing. The boat seems to still be in one piece, and we are only slightly the worse for wear. Didn't get a whole lot of sailing in today. Ran into some slight line handling issues, but all in all, a day on the water beats a day anywhere else.
We had some challenges on the island packet, so our next charter was on 136. This went much better, but we didn't record it, so you just have to take our word for it. Feeling our confidence increasing, we were ready to go out again on our second bareboat charter. But before we knew it, we were not alone. After being welcomed by a small pod of dolphins, we knew it was going to be a great sail. Even though the sail came to an end, our hearts remained on the water. You may wonder why we don't buy our own mini yacht and begin sailing the world. Our answer comes in one word: Winston. Our 6.5-year-old Great Dane is not a water dog, nor are many boats made for his long legs. We've decided to embrace this time we have with him and enjoy the land lover adventures. While stationed in Galveston for a month, we went to visit several other state parks in the area, including Galveston Island State Park.